My name is Valeriu and I'm from Moldova. I'm really pumped to be here at Clever Investor URC, and it's exciting to be here with Cody and Cody's team. I got answered all my questions that I had over here, and now I'm really close to do all what I want to do in real estate. So my goal is like have a team, general contractors that we are doing rehabs. So I want to see like each month one rehab. So do something like that. Right now, me and my partner, we have 36 doors in Ohio. Akron already is rental properties, but we don't want to stop here. We want to build more, like build wealth. So yes, it's something that we want to see in near future. The Clever Investor, they provide all the tools that we need, like from the beginning to the finished product. So we have step by step what we have to do, and it's gonna be easy for us. It's just I have to apply everything. So yes, let's make it happen. It's something that like emotion. So I was waiting for this moment because he's the guru of the real estate classes, and he knows everything. So this is something like I don't have any words to say. It's just a pleasure to be here, and of course I got some question, and he answered really smooth, and I like the question that I heard from his side. So this is very important for me. So I can say thank you, Cody, for everything what he is doing for everyone, and keep going. Yes, I have a lot of stuff to implement in my real estate. I have to do cold calling, and I got something about real estate agents that I have to do this more and more and get on board as many real estate agents as I can. So then it's gonna help me a lot to scale my business to the next level. So like I told you previously, my story is like I got here with $50 in my pockets. So it was like I have to do something in this country, and I just start like painting some walls to the Romanian guy, and I saw he got some condos, and I was like, that's great idea to have some rental properties here in USA. And from this moment I was like, okay, I wanna have one big building with many units, and that's where everything starts from. So right now I'm here, and I'm going to see this happen. So I don't know, when I jumped here, it just was like family feeling. So I was like, yes, I'm gonna make it with you guys.